I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select SureForms as a trigger. Choose a form. Next. Now here search and select Notion. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Notion API console. Now click on Create New Integration. Give a meaningful name as you want. Then submit. Click on Distribution. Now check this. Here give your company name. Now website homepage URL. Give your privacy policy page link. Then give your terms of use page link. Give a support email. Copy your redirect URL from authorization page and paste here. Now click on Submit, then Continue. Now copy client ID and client secret and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Select Pages. Allow access. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Database List. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Notion. Here is the data that came into Notion through the integration. Thanks for watching.